is Ari from PharmBuddy. I'm going to show you how to demo the app for the 2.0 Halos. First thing you want to do is turn on your power switch to your Halo lights. The app from B606 through your Google Play or your iOS system. On the right hand side, there'll be an eyeglass. It'll actually pop up B606. I've changed mine to green Audi so I know which machine it goes to. So first thing first is what I would do is change the device name. So you'll go into your settings like I did here, settings, device name, and I change it to green Audi. You'll want to put save successfully. You may want to do it twice, save it twice, and then close the app out and then restart it, and it will change it to what you name your device. From the auto mode, if you put your finger on, you can slide it to the different various modes. If you want your lights off at the moment, or you just want them on a solid color for them, or you can choose any of the various modes that are already inside the app itself. Also too, if you're wanting to turn off a couple of the Halo lights, I can turn off the outer lights, turn them a color, turn on the outer lights back on, and they'll stay at the same mode that it was last at. So I set mine up to have from left to right, each light bulb on. So you can also turn off a few of the Halo lights and then have them go different color. I've set mine up from left to right, each light bulb would go off like this. Here. I want to change them to blue, and then the inner lights will still stay a white. Or if I want to turn off the outer lights, and I want to turn the inner ones purple, turn the outer ones on, so you have purple on the inside, or you decide you want to do the two on the inside off, and you want to make them red. You can do any color you want, any color inside here. You can do a mode. You just have to remember to turn off each light bulb that you're wanting to change the color to. Okay. If you want to turn them all off, you want to start with one single color, you do red, turn that light bulb back off. You do white, turn that light bulb back off, white, and then you want to do blue, turn them all back on. You got a red, white, and blue for them. For the DIY mode, you'll want to start off with the 42 LEDs. On the right hand side here, there will be a square with a pencil. You'll want to hit the square with the pencil. Step 1, you'll hit step 1 here. We're going to choose green. You want to make sure you save it. Step 2, here it says step 2 there, we're going to do blue. You want to make sure you save it. And I'm going to go back. I'm going to hit the DIY 4. You're going to have blue with green. You can change the way it rotates. If you want it to go faster, you want it to flow. You want to keep it that way. I've already had another mode in here that I did, which was red, white, and blue. So I'll hit my DIY 2, and then it'll all be red, white, and blue. Some other options for you on here. If you want to set your DIY name, so my first one, or my one that I just did was the red, white, and blue. I've already changed the name in there for it. To set your reverse, you could set the reverse in the sequence, same as before. This would be light bulb 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you look at the Halo light itself, I can change the sequence of it. So now it's going to go the opposite direction. Then you can change them all back. Remember too, when you change the sequence of the light, as you go into the different apps, it will change the function of how the light starts. So say you're starting with red, they're all red. Here, I'll show you what I mean. We'll go to the mode, one of the modes here that it starts off with. This mode here, and then we'll go back to set reverse. And if you watch, now that one that I set reverse will always start first versus the other ones. The color will always start first. Now they're all going to be on the same because the sequence has all been changed together. Other than that, the colors are pretty much endless. You can do any color you want. You're looking for a turquoise or maybe a little bit more of a green or yellow, but the options are endless inside there. And you, like I said, you can always use the standard modes that are on there, or you can create your own DIY mode. Thank you.